In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and use equations in Google Docs effortlessly. Google Docs is a powerful tool not only for word processing, but also for mathematical equations. Whether you're a student preparing a math or science assignment, a teacher developing educational materials, or anyone who needs to incorporate formulas in a document, understanding how to use this feature is extremely beneficial. To get started, open your favorite web browser and navigate to google.com. Once there, you'll notice a series of 9 small square dots neatly arranged in a grid pattern at the top right corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to various Google applications. Click on these dots and a menu will unfold, showcasing a plethora of apps. Here you'll want to look for Google Docs. Click on it to open a new or existing document where you want to include your equation. Once your document is open and ready, direct your attention to the top menu. There you'll find an option labeled Insert. Clicking on Insert reveals a list of functionalities that enhance your document. From this drop-down menu, look for the option that says Equation. The addition of this feature is immensely helpful for anyone working with mathematical notations. Upon selecting Equation, a new toolbar emerges at the top of your screen, filled with a variety of symbols and templates. These tools are specifically designed for writing and formatting complex mathematical expressions. You will see a selection of equations and symbols available for use. It's a comprehensive suite, allowing you to choose the symbols you need for your particular equation. Simply click on any of them to insert it directly into your document. As you're inserting these symbols, take a moment to appreciate the additional options available in the drop-down menu adjacent to the symbols. This extra layer of functionality can be particularly helpful when you have more intricate mathematical needs beyond basic equations. While our primary focus today is on the equation feature, remember that these symbols can add great detail to your work. So there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate equations and symbols into your Google Docs with ease. This feature not only simplifies the process, but also ensures that your document looks professional and clear. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment with any questions or suggestions, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips like this one. Thank you for watching, and happy writing with Google Docs.